Wow, God gave us a gift. Jesus loves me, this I know. The truck got the gift so they could take it to the construction site to see what's in it. While they were on the road, a big iron raven swooped down and took the gift away so no one could have it. The iron raven took the gift to a place which no one knows about to hide it. Yes, Jesus loves me. A smart squirrel used a satellite phone to call the Marines so they could come and get the gift. The Marines came with the helicopter to rescue the gift. They put the gift on a ship so they could take it to the construction site. Then a ginormous shark came after them. The shark grabbed the gift off the ship. The shark quickly took the gift underwater to take the gift away and hid it in a cave so no one could have it. The Navy SEALs had to fight the shark to get the gift back. We got the gift. Let's go to the construction site to see what's inside. They worked hard to get the gift open. Then they saw what was inside the gift. Jesus is God's gift to you. When Jesus lives in your heart, it will make you feel good and help you care about other people more.
Jesus loves every boy and girl, for the Bible tells me so. Little ones to him belong, they are blessed 'cause he is strong. Yes, Jesus loves me.
Every boy and girl.
Yes, Jesus loves me.
Every boy and girl.
Yes, Jesus loves me.
Every boy and girl.
For the Bible tells me so.